Don't wanna be an American idiot. Don't want a nation under the new media. And can you hear the sound of hysteria? The subliminal mindfuck America. Welcome to a new kind of tension all across the alien nation. Everything isn't meant to be okay. Television dreams of tomorrow. We're not the ones I'm meant to follow. But that's enough to argue. Well, maybe I'm the faggot America. I'm not a part of a redneck agenda. Now everybody to the propaganda and sing along at the age of paranoia. Welcome to a new kind of tension all across the alien mission, where everything is meant to be okay. Television dreams of tomorrow. We're not the ones I'm meant to follow. But that's enough to argue. Don't wanna be an American idiot. One nation controlled by the media. Information age of hysteria. Calling out the idiot America. Welcome to a new kind of tension all across the alien nation. Everything is meant to be okay. Television dreams of tomorrow. We're not the ones I'm meant to follow. But that's enough to argue.
Hey, Peyton.
Say hi.
You're good job.
Zoe just like to say hi.
Stupid. Oh, there goes the kitty. Dude, oh, look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. Dude, look at her fur's like crazy. Dude, put him by Holy shit. Credits. Alex. A dude. Dogs. The end. The end our days.